I think I'll drive, okay?
Yeah, that's fine. I'm on vacation. So.
Well,
I don't know about this trying to stand. It seems a little bit bumpy.
okay, well, I'll go slow over the bumps and you'll hardly feel them.
Yeah, and what's that coconut smell?
Every time I get in here, this thing smells like coconut.
It's the tropics.
Oh, I think that's in here.
It's kind of bumpy on this road.
Oh, yeah.
Bump!
Oh, sorry. I went as slow as I could.
No, you didn't.
Okay, now we have to make a left turn up ahead.
No,
No left turn.
But
left
no,
turn.
I can do it. It takes a little while, but just hang in. Okay, here we go. Make a left turn, and we're on the highway. Away we go. Look out for the monkeys.
There are no monkeys here.
There are monkeys all over the place.
They're
I can hear them
crossing
howling.
the road.
Oh, it's the traffic. Oh,
Tra-
my
the
legs
traffic's
are getting
howling?
So sore from all this grape.
Yes.
Oh,
The bumps are terrible.
Well, I can't do anything about that. This is Costa Rica.
And I don't know about this Pan-American highway.
It's going to across, all the way down the side of the Gulf of America.
Gulf of America. Don't use that terminology.
Yeah.
That is treason.
Oops.
The Panamanian.
Alan, get back to the bed.
Did I tell you I'm not wearing any underwear?
No!
Where's your underwear?
Lost it.
Someone stole it.
It's under your pillow.
I was afraid someone would see it in the middle of the night.
Oh.
It's cool today, though.
Oh, yeah, probably about 29 degrees.
Okay.